Hey all, this is a quick review for this electric plus manual Burr coffee grinder. So you get these components. You also get a USB-C cable in the package, as well as a little brush and a little scoop. And I believe that's it. So I have it disassembled right now. Here's the three pieces. I've charged the main unit up here. So you see there's the USB-C there. I still got a sticker on there, but anyways. So it's fully charged up. And if I wanted to use it automatically, I would put this on top of here, this on the bottom, press, and it would drop into this cup. So I'll first show you the manual process. So I'm just going to, the Burr grinder, by the way, has 3 dials or 5 settings. I've just put it to the medium setting now for this demonstration. I'm going to put on the base, and then I've got this manual Burr grinder handle. So I'm just going to, again, you see that has to align with the post here. Put that on and then lock it in position. So it's on, and then this slides out, and then I can start manually grinding my coffee beans. Whoa, I obviously didn't have that locked on. So let me try that again. That was my fault. Oh yeah, so you see there's a lock, unlock there. I just didn't set it to lock. So I will want to make sure I do that. So I think it's on there now. Okay, and then put that back on here. There we go. And pull this out, and around we go. Okay, so you get the idea. You can see, sorry, in the bottom there, you can see it coming out as I manually grind. It's coming out the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to take this off, this manual part here, if I can. So unlock it. Second here, there we go. And I'm going to put the automatic part on. I think there's alignment for this too. I'm just not sure. There's no lineup tabs that I see, which would be nice. Okay, so that's locked on now. This really is just for show. I don't think it really does anything except for carry handle maybe. And it locks on too. So, okay. So the only thing is, I wish that there was something here along here that showed me how to lock it in position. But there we go. Okay, so locked in position. Now I'm going to do the automatic. Hold. And you see the coffee grinding out there. Okay, and then top again, and done. So that is the coffee grinds there. It is, you know, I just depending on how coarse or how fine you want your coffee, I'd say this still is on the finer side. But you know, you have 5 settings, play with it. Simple enough to kind of carry along with you if you're going in your car somewhere. It might be a little bit too big to put in your luggage. But if you're a real coffee fanatic and want to always grind your own beans, then something like this is helpful to have. So hopefully this video helps. Sorry for it being a bit longer than expected.
A few moments later. Eventually.
This is a coffee grinder. It's portable on the go. There's a port that you can plug it in with a USB cord. You put your coffee beans in here. You push the button for 2 seconds. It starts grinding. As you can see, the coffee grounds come out here. So if you only need a little bit of coffee at a time, or you're on the go all the time, this is a great grinder for you.